Would you believe me if I said you can make a protein packed sandwich without using bread at all? Let me show you this unique quinoa sandwich that's healthy, filling, and so delicious. Hello, and a very warm welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Take 1 cup of quinoa. Do you know 1 cup of raw quinoa is around 170 grams, which has around 24 grams of protein? Now, you can yourself imagine that quinoa is such an amazing protein source when it comes to plant protein. Now, wash it thoroughly for at least 3 times as it contains a saponin coating which is very bitter in taste. So, wash it properly to get rid of that bitter flavor in your dish. Then, after washing, don't forget to soak it for at least 2 hours as quinoa contains a naturally occurring phytic acid in it. Soaking helps to remove some of the phytic acid, making it easy to digest and also speeds up the cooking time. So, don't forget these two very important steps. Then take some vegetables. You can take any vegetable of your choice. I have taken a carrot, bell pepper, and half cucumber. I'm going to finely chop them in my manual chopper. You can also grate it, or if you are taking too many veggies, you can use a food processor as well, whatever convenient to you. So, see, this is how you have to finely chop all the veggies. Alright, now take 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. You can take any oil, add grated ginger to it, wait for a minute until it changes its color slightly, and then add chopped green chilies or Thai pepper. Now, this is optional, guys. Being an Indian, I personally love chili heat in my food, but if you are someone who is not used to it, you can completely skip it or adjust the quantity as per you. Now add all the chopped vegetables in the pan and then time for some seasoning. Sprinkle some black pepper powder, some Italian seasoning around 1 teaspoon. Now, Italian seasoning is a blend of primarily basil, oregano, rosemary and thyme. If you don't like all of these, you can just go for oregano or some basil, whatever Italian herbs you are fond of. Then add some salt as per your taste and then at last I am adding a small block of tofu and I'm going to roughly crumble it over the veggie mixture. If you want, you can take a big block of tofu or even use paneer, whatever and however you like. So basically, if you're a vegan and also counting calories, opt for tofu, else go for paneer. Tofu is less in fat and calories, vegan, and rich in iron, whereas paneer is higher in fat, calories, and cholesterol, but a good source of calcium and, of course, a dairy product. So you can choose as per you. Then finish it with some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, and your delicious and super healthy stuffing is ready. Now let's move on to our quinoa. It's been soaking for quite long. Now we need to blend it. So take all the soaked quinoa in a blender jar, add a small piece of ginger, half teaspoon salt, and half to 1 cup of water. Blend everything into a smooth batter. See, the batter should have this type of consistency, neither too thick nor too runny. Now heat up a pan or a griddle or a tawa, whatever you have. Brush it with some oil, and by the time it's getting heated, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I mean, literally just a dash of it. Then mix it up quickly in one single direction and then pour half a ladle or 1 tablespoon of batter on hot pan. Then cover the pan on low medium flame in order to cook it evenly from within. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, then open it and flip it over and cook it on the other side as well. Slightly press and cook the pancake until it's properly done. So see, I'll show you. I've already made all the pancakes. In fact, guys, you can make these quinoa pancakes as well as the stuffing in advance and store it in the fridge. They last for at least 2 to 3 days or maybe more. Then whenever you want these healthy sandwiches, you can make it ready in hardly 5 minutes. Okay, so time to assemble it. Take a pancake and keep the generous amount of stuffing mixture over it and then cover it with another pancake. Then simply grill it in a grill pan, sandwich maker or simply on a pan, however you like. I am opting for a sandwich maker as it will turn my sandwiches into crispy, yummy delights, enhancing the taste even more. So I'll brush both my sandwiches with a bit of oil and then grill it for 3 to 4 minutes. And that's it. Serve these cute little power packed sandwiches right away and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for more such innovative and healthy recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.